What? You're starting.
We're gonna open the Snorlax, so I hope we pull out something good out of these packs.
Okay. Which box did you open?
What? Snorlax?
The Snorlax? We are currently here at Wendy's and Mom's eating. Here, Snap for adoption and Wendy's gift 5. So follow the prompt, make some donations. And we're still here on the Pokemon opening reveal of the Snorlax pack. Okay, so we got the breakthrough. Okay, one at a time. Isaiah, okay. Which packet are you opening?
He's opening the Blastoise.
The evolutions. Alright.
And which one are you wanting to get?
Yeah, which one are you wanting to get?
Full art,
Pidgeotto. No, I already got Zapdos.
That's if he can open it, guys. He's having a little bit of a struggle.
They come childproof.
I can open it. So I'm opening the Charizard Evolution.
Okay. Here, go over here. Get over here. I don't know. Videotape the guy. Okay.
So we got a Charmander,
Uh-huh.
a Diglett,
Uh-huh.
a Drowsy.
a Drowsy. I see look.
Oh, what do you get? Oh, Caterpie. What you get? What you get?
Oh, another Starmie.
Oh, another
We got a
Starmie break. And
Oh, and an
Arcanine.
Arcanine. A Trainer.
A trainer.
And a Metapod. And that's it. All
That
right.
was a good one.
Back at it.
Isaiah got a...
20 years later.
20 years later.
Isaiah already has this one.
Elijah, can you show your brother how to open up the packs?
Yeah.
So watch, pay attention to how your brother opens it. See? Okay. Now let him open them.
They're kind of like stuck together.
Charmander.
Okay. So you open up with another Charmander.
Rattata. Caterpie. Magnemite.
Magnemite.
Voltorb.
Machop.
Zapdos.
What he said he wanted, he got. He
Zapdos.
actually got a Zapdos.
I have a Zapdos like that.
That's what he said he wanted to get, and that's what he got. He got a
Trainer.
Zapdos.
Trainer.
Alright, next pack. Zapdos.
That is sick. Isaiah got 2 the same, and I have this one too.
Yeah?
Let me
Yeah, that's
open
the
this
one
for
I got
you.
at Christmas.
No, I think you should let your brother open it for. Oh, he figured it out, guys.
And we're opening a Fixed Light, and that's a Zygarde.
That's a Fates Collide, okay.
So we got a Vullaby,
Uh-huh.
a Colossus,
Okay.
a Contini,
Uh-huh.
a Minixinko, a Whismur, a Darling,
Darling.
a Grumpig. Isaiah has that one too, and it has Explode on the side. A Fusion,
And a
Kangaskhan.
Kangaskhan. No, I got him.
and a Siningco.
And that's Encino. Okay.
Okay.
What you got
A
is there?
doodle.
So dual.
This one.
You got a Paris. Here, bring him over here. Put him on the table over here. Uh-huh.
Staryu.
Uh-huh.
And then
What you get? What is it?
A GX.
What a liar. Okay.
and you got a
Show the camera. Okay. And then you got a Scatterbug. Oh, who's that? Empoleon. Okay. No, Quilladin. Oh, Sandslash, cool. And a Prinplup.
I have the evolution for that one.
And that's all you got, huh?
Yeah. So one.
Cool.
No, you still got those right there.
And then, of course, the Snorlax that comes in the box.
Yes.
Cool.
So let's take this.
So we got a Zapdos and a Snorlax.
Oh, and we got Papa Jason.
And Big Papa right there, the Snorlax.
And I can't believe we got a Zapdos.
These are the
And a
Snorlax
Zapdos.
This is probably one of the best boxes that we ever got.
I
Yeah.
hope you have a good day, guys. Bye.
Okay, bye.
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 Bye.